Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are making a cucumber salad. Now this is Weight Watcher friendly and also keto. The ingredients that you will need are 1 purple onion, 1 cucumber, English, some honey, red wine vinegar, sea salt, parsley. We are going to cut the purple onion and the English cucumber very fine as we can get it. Now I'm not a fan of mandolins because I think they're dangerous, so I'm going to use a paring knife, so I'm going to try to get it as thin as I can. Okay everyone, you can see how I got the English cucumber. I diced it as fine as I could get it, and then also I just used a small amount of the purple onion because it was just so strong. So this is 1 English cucumber and just a very small amount of purple onion. So far I used 1/3 of red wine vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay everyone, you can see our cucumber salad is done. It is so tasty. It is very good. Now I did not use all the dressing. It makes quite a bit of little dressing. I'm going to give you all the measurements, ingredients. I'll put it underneath my description on the YouTube page, so that way you know how much I put in. But definitely adding the 2nd tablespoon of honey, it gives it like a nice sweet, but not overly sweet. It's almost like the perfect balance to the dressing, to the cucumber and the onion. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that way every time I come on, you know. Again, I want to thank you for watching our video. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.